Do you know that Google just launched a new free AI tool that you can use for free? I created this video with it.
Daddy, God will bless you with plenty money and plenty wife.
Amen.
Mommy, see you. Daddy say amen to plenty wife.
Let me show you how to create it. Follow me for more tutorials like this.
To get access to these free AI tools, go to your browser and search for Google Vids AI. Once you do that, you should get this interface. The first link at the top that says Workspace Google. Click on it and it will take you to this interface. Once you get here, you need to sign up with your Google email. So just click on sign in to Vids. This platform is free for now and you can use it to generate videos, both text to video and also image to video. You can generate any of that using this tool. So now that it is free, maximize this opportunity and use it to the fullest. Okay, so once you are done signing up, you should have this interface. But in case you do not have this interface and it's telling you error, it's not allowing you to use it, click on the three dots at the top here to change your browser to desktop site. You can see mine is on desktop site. Then go back to your interface. You should be able to use it after doing that. There are a lot of AI models here that you can use, but the one I'm going to be using is VO3, which is the first one. So click on it and it is going to bring you to this interface. When you get here, you can set up the size of the video you want to create. Click on this landscape and you're going to see the two options. It's just landscape and portrait. So for this tutorial, I'm using portraits. Now the second thing is this create from scratch. Click on it. You're going to see the option to either create from scratch or animate an image. The create from scratch simply means text to video, and the other one, which is animate an image, simply means image to video. So I'm going to be choosing create from scratch so I can do a text to video. So I'm going to paste my prompt here. If you want the prompt I use, comment prompt and I'm going to send it to you. And towards the end of this video, I'm going to show you how I get my prompts for my video. So make sure you watch to the end. Follow me if you have not done that, because I bring updates on free AI tools and how to use these AI tools, and also ideas on viral videos. Now click on generate to start generating your videos, and you will see it down here that it has started counting. Once it gets to 100, your video is going to be ready. Okay, it doesn't take much of a time, and as you can see, my video is ready. Now to download your video, okay, watch this carefully. To download your video, you will long press on the video, like this box, this blue box you are seeing. Inside the box, long press it. When you long press it, this option is going to pop up. Then you click on download video. Then your video is going to download to your device. Okay, so that is how to use this platform. Give me a follow. Do not forget to subscribe to this channel. Now for my prompt, this is what I do. I just go to ChatGPT or Gemini AI or any app and explain what I want my video to look like. In this particular video, I said I need a short video prompt of a little cute Nigerian boy praying for his father. He says, "Dad, God will bless you with plenty money and plenty wife." Then the father says, "Amen." Then the boy looks shocked. The boy looks shocked and points at the camera and shouts, "Mommy, see you." Daddy says, "Amen" to plenty wife. Okay, that is my idea. I gave it to ChatGPT and I gave it to Gemini AI, and Gemini AI is going to give me a well-detailed video prompt I can use to generate this video. It is as simple as that. My own law is be as simple as possible. Just express yourself to AI and it's going to give you the prompt you need to generate your video. Do not forget to follow me, subscribe if you are watching on YouTube, follow me if you are watching on Facebook, and always know that Digital Mama will always give you updates on viral videos, free AI tools. And if you want to join my community where I have almost 1,000 students that are already creating content and are already making money with their content, type community in the comment section and I'm going to send you the link, or click on the link in the description of this video. See you in class and I wish you all the best. Bye bye.